Imagine this. You had access to all your competitors' analytics data. You could see which videos got the most views every single day. You'd instantly know which videos are performing best, the ones that keep getting views for months or even years. With that kind of data, you could come up with the best video ideas possible. No more guessing or posting random content. Every video you make could have the potential to bring in long-term views. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing tool that lets you see all your competitors' stats, day by day, video by video. You'll get the full view history for every channel. The tool is called everydayviews.com. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. It's super easy to use. Just go to Manage Channel, add your competitors' channels, and you'll see them listed right below. You can manage everything with a single click. Every day, the site automatically pulls data from those channels, how many views each video got, and compares it with the previous days. After about 48 hours, you can click on any competitor and instantly see how many views they're getting each day. Now, here's the cool part. You can click on any competitor and sort their videos by views in the last 24 hours. So for example, I can instantly see which of their videos got 9,000 views in the past day. You can even filter it to only show videos that are more than 3 months old, which is perfect if you want to find evergreen videos that keep getting views long after they're posted. Like here, this one's 3 years old and still getting 1,600 views a day. There are more filters too, by duration, age, total views, views gained in 24 hours, and even whether to show or hide shorts. You can also filter by title if you want to focus on a specific niche. For example, videos with website in the title. Just with that, you can already find amazing long-term video ideas. But it gets even better. When you click on history, you can see all the details for any video, the tags, which you can copy with one click, the full description, and the entire day-by-day view graph. You can even switch to a table view if you prefer. That way, you can actually confirm that the video's been performing consistently over time. Personally, this is the strategy I've been using for years. I study my competitors, see which videos have been performing for months or years, and then recreate that content, but better. And honestly, this method earns me thousands of euros every month across my different channels. Even if I stop uploading for a month or two, my income barely changes because my videos keep getting long-term traffic. So now you know exactly how to spy on your competitors and see all their stats. The link to the tool is down in the description. Check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.